The question is 14 divided by 7, and inside the brackets, 2 plus 6 divided by 3. Now let's solve it. 14 divided by 7 will be 2, and inside the brackets, 2 plus 6. Divided by 3, so here 6 will be divided by 3, which is 2 times. Now it's 2 plus 2. Let's solve it further. 2 plus 2 will be 4. Now, 2. We'll multiply 4 here. 2 times 4 equals 8. This is the answer, but this is the wrong method. Now, let's rewrite the question. 4 divided by 7. In brackets, 2 plus 6 divided by 3. So first, we'll solve the bracket, and within that, we'll solve the division. The first step is fine. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now, 14 divided by 7, and inside the bracket, 2 plus 2. Let's solve it further. 14 divided by 7, 2 plus 2 becomes 4. If we solve it, it's 14 divided by 7, or we multiply the bracket. 7 is 7 times 4. Now we'll give priority to division. Since multiplication and division have the same priority, we'll check from left to right. So after checking from left to right, we give priority to division first, then to multiplication. Let's solve it further. 14 divided by 7 times 4. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. This is the correct method and the right way to solve it.